and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cannoli dip, and it is so good and I really hope you guys try it out. So if you want to see how to make it, then just keep on watching. To make your cannoli dip, you'll need 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, a cup of mini chocolate chips, and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. You'll also need vanilla. So I'm going to start off by placing my ricotta cheese and my cream cheese into a mixing bowl, and I'm going to beat it up until it's nice and creamy. I am using a hand mixer, but you could use a stand mixer if you would like. After about 30 seconds or so of beating your mixture, you're going to want to scrape down the sides and make sure everything's well incorporated, and then you're going to add your vanilla. The recipe calls for a teaspoon, but I just eyeballed it. I'm then going to resume mixing until the vanilla is incorporated. You're then going to want to scrape down the sides again and add your powdered sugar. Now, as soon as you start mixing, start very slowly because you do not want this powdered sugar to go everywhere, and just take your time with this. Once your mixture is completely smooth and there are no lumps in it, and all the powdered sugar is mixed in, then your dip is almost ready. Now all you have to do is add in your mini chocolate chips. Also, I use semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you could use milk chocolate, or if you don't want it as sweet, then you could use dark chocolate. Now I'm just transferring my cannoli dip into a bowl to serve, but if you wanted to save it for later, then feel free to put it in a plastic bag and freeze it, and then take it out the night before and let it thaw for when you're ready to use it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try this cannoli dip out. It is awesome to bring to a party any time of the year, and it is also just fun to have at home. So we are garnishing it with some gluten-free sugar cones, but you could use whatever type of cones you would like, or you could even use pizzelles or any other type of cannoli chip. I'm sure you could find them at the store. We found a cannoli dip and chips sold at Stu Leonard's, and they also had it at ShopRite, so you could probably find them anywhere. But this dip is awesome to make, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to try it out. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And thanks for watching. Bye!